Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous episode. If you're here for the first time, I recommend watching the last video where we talked about the 13 original colonies and how the United States began. Now we're going to test what you've learned. Let's begin. Were the 13 original colonies located on the West Coast? No, they were located on the East Coast of North America. Did the colonies all have the same type of economy? No, each region had different economies based on geography and climate. Was farming easy in New England? No, the soil was rocky and the climate was cold, which made farming difficult. Did the southern colonies depend on enslaved labor? Yes, many plantations in the South relied heavily on enslaved workers. Were the colonies completely independent from Britain from the start? No, they were British colonies for over 100 years. Did the middle colonies welcome immigrants from many countries? Yes. They were known for cultural diversity and religious tolerance. Was the Declaration of Independence signed in 1776? Yes, that's the year the colonies declared independence from Britain. Did the colonies become the first 13 states of the U.S.? Yes, they formed the foundation of the new nation. Was the American Revolution fought before independence was declared? No, the revolution followed the Declaration of Independence. Did the colonies all have the same religion and language? No, they had a mix of cultures, languages, and beliefs. Watch this feedback video again to reinforce everything you've learned. And don't forget to subscribe so you're always ready for the next great episode on English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.